हेलो एंड वेलकम टू पेटपूजा ट्यूटोरियल्स यूट्यूब चैनल। इस चैनल पे वीडियोस इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों लैंग्वेज में अवेलेबल रहेंगे। पेटपूजा ट्यूटोरियल्स इज एसेंशियली अ नॉलेज बेस फॉर पेटपूजा रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर, where you will find answers and solutions regarding the usage of the software. To ease down your learning, we have given 3 entry points. The first one being modules. Modules are essentially a club of activities, for example, billing, payments, menu management, and inventory. The second entry point is as per the level of mastery which you want to attain learning our software. The first level being beginner, the second being proficient, and the third being an expert. The third entry point is via our channel's video search box, where you can just type in any feature or topic that you are interested in and start learning. Additional resources and in-depth explanation about the channel is given in the description below. If you are new to Petpooja and want to know more about Petpooja, please log on to petpooja.com and happy learning.